Hi Manatees! What do you think AC Green, Viola Davis, Dr. Franklin Ramon Chang Diaz have in common? These notable personalities have all participated in TRIO programs, which I'll tell you a little bit about. These free student services are designed to provide you academic, financial, and personal guidance. You'll also have access to opportunities for mentoring, cultural events, field trips to universities, and unique community building experiences. You can easily take advantage of these student services by talking to your advisor or visiting MySCF to complete a TRIO application. Have questions? Visit SCF.edu/TRIO or email me at anderskl@scf.edu. We look forward to seeing you on campus or online.